Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare flange assembly in SolidWorks software. You can see the 2D drawing with assembly drawing including BOM. In the BOM there are 4 parts, flange 1 and flange 2 are same, remaining 2 fasteners is there. First I will create a flange. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select revolve, select the front plane, create one center line first. Select line, create one rough sketch. Give the dimensions. The flange outer dia is 200 mm and 100 and 120 mm. This is 120. This is 100 mm. Next length is 155 and 16 mm. Select this origin point and select this point. Give the vertical constraint here. So finish sketch. Revolve is okay. Apply. For ISO view, you can press directly Ctrl 7. Next, select this surface, sketch. There is a 6 holes, that diameter is 18. You can see PCD diameter is 160 mm. First create one circle. Select here for construction. Give the dimensions. $165 mm. 160. Create one circle. Dimension 18 mm. So finish sketch. Select here extruded cut. Go to edit sketch. Here select through hole, or we can select only 20 mm. Select the cutout. Here select circular pattern. Select any one of circular part. 6 hole is okay. Assign material. Metal, steel. We can assign polishes here also. So save the part I will save my desktop. Close this. Next, X bolt length is 60 mm, thread length is 26 mm, head thickness is 10 mm, X dimension is 27 mm. Select hexagon here, polygon, select the front plane, give the dimension. This dimension is 27 mm. And here give the horizontal constraint. That's it. Finish sketch. Select revolve. Thickness we want 10 mm. Select this surface, sketch. Diameter 16. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 50 mm. Give the chamfer here first. 1 mm is okay. Select this edge. Next, select the thread. Select this edge. Here blind we need length 25 mm. (26 mm). Next, here some chamfer is there. Select this plane, sketch. Select line. Just create like this, give the dimension. This is 5 mm. Here to here, give 0.5 mm. This length is 5 mm. So finish sketch. Edit sketch. Create on center line. Finish. Select revolve. Select revolve cut. Okay. Assign material. Save as a bolt. One more nut is there. Change the unit. Give the dimension here to here 27 mm. Give the horizontal constraint. So finish sketch. Extrude up to 13 mm. Select this surface, sketch. Cancel this sketch. Select here hole wizard. We need tapped hole. M16 into 1.5. OK. Through hole. Select the position. OK. Here right plane, sketch. Give the dimensions. .5 mm. This we can give up to 5. This is also 5 mm. Create one center line. So finish sketch. Select revolved cut. OK. Mirror this cutout. Select the mid plane. OK. Here select this one. Edit mid plane. Now select this one. Mirror about mid plane. Save the part as a nut. First select a material as a steel. Close this. Open assembly template. Insert components. Flange. Take one more time same part. Give the mates this face and this face. Reverse the direction. OK. Select this circular part, OK. Select this hole and this hole. OK. Next insert components, nut and bolt. OK. Select this bolt first, this face. OK. Next select this surface and this surface, or give the face first. Okay, so you can do this pattern. Circular pattern, select this circular, remove this, here actually 2 is there, give the 16 6 components, here 360 divided by 6. Okay, save the assembly, Control 7, go to exploded view, first remove the nuts, next select the bolts, next select this flange and including bolts. Control 7, so you can do like this. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also I am requesting once again, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.